Are you looking for a menopause brain fog treatment that is both delicious and effective? It can be so frustrating to feel like your own mind is working against you. But the good news is, one of the most powerful tools we have to fight back is right in our own kitchen. In my last videos, we talked about the best individual foods for brain health. Today, we are going to put it all into practice. I'm going to share 5 of my favorite, incredibly easy recipes that are specifically designed to fight inflammation, support your hormones, and give your brain the building blocks it needs to find clarity and focus. Let's start with the perfect way to begin your day. Recipe number 1 is the ultimate brain-boosting smoothie. This is my go-to on busy mornings. In a blender, combine 1 large handful of spinach, our brain's bodyguard. Then, add half a cup of mixed berries, the antioxidant powerhouses. For our healthy brain-loving fats, add half an avocado and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or ground flax seeds, which are packed with omega-3s. Finally, add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk and blend until it's smooth and creamy. I promise you won't taste the spinach, but you will feel the clean energy it provides. Next up is my favorite lunch. Recipe number 2, the Clarity Salad Bowl. Forget boring sad salads. This is a true power meal. Start with a big base of dark leafy greens like arugula or mixed greens. Then we add color and crunch. Cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumber, and a small handful of those brain-shaped walnuts. For a boost of protein, you can add some chickpeas or a piece of grilled chicken. But the secret to this salad is the dressing. It's so simple. Just mix 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, our brain's anti-inflammatory medicine, with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a pinch of salt and pepper. Drizzle it over the top. Every single ingredient in this bowl is working to fight inflammation and fuel your focus. Now, what about that mid-afternoon slump? Recipe number 3 is my go-to focus snack. When you feel your energy dipping, instead of reaching for a sugary snack that will only lead to a crash, try this. Take 1 or 2 squares of high-quality dark chocolate that's 70% cacao or higher. The flavonoids in the chocolate will help boost blood flow to your brain. Pair this with a small handful of almonds or walnuts. The combination of the healthy fats and protein from the nuts, with the gentle boost from the chocolate, provides a stable, lasting source of energy that your brain will love. It feels like an indulgence, but it's actually a powerful tool. For those mornings when you need something a bit more substantial, there's recipe number 4. The 2-minute brain-boosting breakfast. This is the meal we built in our last video, and it's so good it's worth repeating. It's a simple plate of 2 poached or boiled eggs, served with half a sliced avocado, all drizzled with that beautiful extra virgin olive oil. The choline from the egg yolks is critical for memory, and the healthy fats from the avocado and olive oil provide the sustained energy your brain needs to start the day strong. It's a simple, elegant, and incredibly powerful meal that takes almost no time to prepare. Finally, the perfect way to wind down your day. Recipe number 5 is the Golden Milk Calm Down Latte. We talked about this in our Golden Spice video, and it's the perfect evening ritual. Gently warm up 1 cup of your favorite unsweetened milk, like coconut or almond milk. Whisk in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a tiny pinch of black pepper to activate it, and a half teaspoon of cinnamon. This warm, anti-inflammatory drink is incredibly calming for the nervous system and helps prepare your brain for a night of deep, restorative sleep. So there you have it, 5 simple, delicious recipes to help you fight brain fog. Now, if you're looking for more simple habits to clear the fog, you can get my free guide, 8 objects in your home that are causing you headaches and brain fog. It walks you through the simple steps to create a calmer home environment to support your mind. And if you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend watching my video on the #1 brain-boosting meal, which goes into even more detail on the science behind these amazing foods. I'll link it for you on the screen and in the description. Thank you for being here and taking this delicious step for your brain health. Be well, and I'll see you in the next video.